Assalamu alaikum. Hope that you all are fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah, and Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Okay. I already told that I need your email login access for connect domain connect elementor form with Google Sheet, but okay, if you think this is your privacy, so that's why I made this video. That's why I made this video for so that you can connect elementor form with Google Sheet very easily. Okay, so let's get it started. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so first you already make Google Sheet. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then you have to go to extension. Okay, click on extension and then click on apps script. Okay, all right, and yeah, code dot gs in there. You have to put some. Okay, you have to put some code. I already made all of this code, and just you need to copy and paste there. Okay, yeah, you can see the notepad. I will provide you those code, just you need to copy. Yeah, and yeah, all right, and paste there. Okay, perfect. And save this, go to delay and new development, and select type, click on hover, web app, click on this and click anyone. Okay, then delay. Alright, and then click on authorize access. In this here, it was I need your email, but okay, no problem. Then you if you watch this video, and then I hope that you can make this very easily. Okay, so click on your email, not this is my email. Okay, and you need to click on your email, in which email you want to collect, you want to connect Google Sheet with in your email. Okay, so click on this email. Okay, and click on advance. Allow. Okay, click on webs apps, and then go to your site, I mean go to your landing page. Well, and go to templates, click on all templates and edit this one by elementor. Okay, all right. Click on forum. Okay, and go to action after submit. Okay, click on this and click on plus icon and click on webhook, and then you can see the webhook option here. Okay, and which link I already copy, just paste there. Okay, perfect. And save. Well, yeah, perfect, all done. So this is how you can make this one, and it's a very easily just a few minutes you have to waste for making this one. Okay, so now if you if you fill up the form, then you can get of all information in your Google sheet. Okay, so hope that uh, you 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 got of all things. And after then, if you think, if you need any confusion or any issues, then let me know, I will help you. Okay, so thank you so much, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.